Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I want to ask, do you like cabbage? Do you often cook delicious cabbage dishes? In this video, I want to talk about the benefits of cabbage in the daily diet. Cabbage has been cultivated and used by people for a long time. Even in ancient Rome, cabbage was considered a dining luxury. In Europe, this vegetable became very popular in the Middle Ages. The Americans received the first cabbage thanks to exports from Europe. The vegetable was brought by European sailors who ate cabbage to prevent scurvy. Cabbage can be cooked in many ways. This vegetable can be pickled, fermented, steamed, stewed, fried, or eaten raw. For example, I eat raw cabbage. Did you know that cabbage is a rich source of vitamin C? Cabbage also contains an important vitamin K. 100 grams of fresh cabbage provides approximately 70% of the daily value of this vitamin. This healthy vegetable also contains vitamin B6, pyridoxine, and folic acid, vitamin B9. These vitamins are important components of enzymes that provide hemoglobin biosynthesis and reduce the risk of cardiovascular and nervous diseases, as well as the tendency to cancer. The list of cabbage dishes can be huge. Use your imagination and keep the cabbage as fresh as possible. But excessive consumption of cabbage can cause bloating, so you need to be careful. Be healthy. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up at the bottom. See you later.